My name is Terrell Phillips. I'm the Parish Maintenance Superintendent, Unit 520 in Lafayette Parish, District 03. My guys are here today cleaning out some ditches on LA 1252 in Carencro, and we're using a new Spectra Laser Level. So we use the laser level to get the grades of the ditches while we're digging. That way we get our slopes correct. We're not holding water. We have berms in the ditch just to make sure everything is level and flowing as it should. So with the laser, we're not freelancing. We're not eyeballing it. We won't have any humps or dips, low spots or high spots in the ditch. So we use the laser to make sure that we are straight, everything is flowing, we won't hold any water, causing any more drainage. So what we do is, before we dig the ditch, we come out, we get a profile of the entire area that we want to dig. We go back to the office, do some calculations, get the numbers, how much dirt we need to take out of the ditch, or if we need to dig the ditch at all. One thing I want to remind drivers is to slow down, pay attention to the flaggers, the stop signs, the stop and slow. Just take your time. We don't mind y'all looking, but just slow down, give the guys a break. We just trying to get the ditches done or any work done on whatever route that we're working.